Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 crashes after waking up from sleep, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, the main culprit behind this issue is the graphics card driver, and I know this. So, the first approach should be to reinstall the graphics card driver. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. So, expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the graphics card driver and update it. If this helps, well and good. If not, then right click on it and select uninstall device, this one here. Okay, and then click on action and scan for hardware changes. Okay, so this will be helpful. If this doesn't work, then malware could be another reason. So here's what you can do. Search for the word MRT and then go to MRT, the run command. Okay, and then you can it will open the malware removal tool. Then you can click on next. You can select full scan and then on next once again to initiate the scan. And lastly, run the memory diagnostic tool. So search for memory diagnostic and go to Windows memory diagnostic. Select restart now and check for problems, and this will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.